Hello everyone, my name is Sheng Liu. I'm a PhD student in computer science at the University of Pittsburgh. I'm very happy to present our work along with Dan Liebman, Alan Wang, Lindsay McMara, Richard Brenty, predicting quality relations in augmentative writing. So I will start with background and motivation. Augmented revisions in response to feedback are important for improving the quality of student written work. Like in augmentative writing, students were given an essay prompt. They were asked to write the first draft essay. After completion, they submit the first draft to AW system to get feedback on evidence use, like how they use the evidence to support a claim. Then they start a second draft based on the feedback. It was supposed that the second draft would be better than the first draft. So this pipeline is called e-revise system. Furthermore, we're interested in analyzing the differences between the first draft and the second draft, which are called draft revisions, also known as ARs. So in this work, we're doing AR code prediction. It is important work because it can be used to provide feedback on revision. Students can work on the third draft. So the bottom pipeline is called e-revise plus revision feedback. AR code prediction is to identify whether an AR is successful or not in order to support students in augmentative writing. So successful ARs usually include adding relevant evidence, deleting repeated evidence or reasoning, and elaborating relevant evidence examples to support claims, etc. Unsuccessful ARs usually include adding examples irrelevant to claim, repeated evidence or reasoning, and deleting necessary evidence or reasoning, etc. However, distinguishing between successful versus unsuccessful AR is a complex endeavor. If you look at the figure on the right, there are two essay revisions, the top one and the bottom one. The top one was unsuccessful revision because it added a sentence towards the original draft but introduced duplicated information that was bold in blue. But the same sentence that was bold in red was added in the bottom essay. It was a complementary information towards the original draft, so the bottom essay was a successful revision. Therefore, making the same AR in distinct contexts could differentially affect the quality of the student essay. But identified proper context for AR quality prediction is challenging. Also, it requires expensive annotations like annotating alignment between two student essays. So in literature, applied work uses adjacent context immediately before and after revisions to help identify revision quality. There are two major flaws. First, the window size for context is an unpredictable parameter. Like an AR can refer to content far ahead of the revision itself. Second, it cannot explain why context makes a difference to AR quality prediction from an augmentative perspective. So to bridge these gaps, we work on three research questions. Research question 1, to what extent is a context helpful for predicting AR quality? Research question 2, what type of context is the most helpful in AR quality prediction? Research question 3, can ChatGPT be used to generate useful context? So our first step is to construct our corpora. We collected 596 student essays written by grade 5 to 6 students who were taking the response to text assessment. We annotated 3,267 sensitive air quality labels for elementary essays. We also used publicly available 233 air quality annotations for college essays. So we propose argument context. In Tor's model, introduced in 1958, a well-developed arguments are characterized by the alignment of claim, evidence, and warrants, like reasoning related to why the evidence supports the claim. Inspired by Tor's model, we proposed the three argument contexts: essay claim, essay reasoning, and essay evidence. Essay claim is a context containing essay claims or arguments. Essay reasoning is a context containing reasoning related to claim or evidence. Essay evidence is a context containing evidence to support or oppose the claims. So we use ChatGPT to generate essays to help accurate prediction. We use two prompts, a single prompt and a chain of thought prompt. The single prompt extracts the arguments like claim, evidence, reasoning, and summarize them in one pass. But ChatGPT is sometimes unable to extract useful arguments using single prompts. The chain of thought prompt has two passes. The first pass is to extract exact argument sentences in the essay. The second pass is just summarize the extracted sentences. So in terms of models and the framework, we leverage the following context to help AR quality prediction. We have two baselines, base short, base long. Base short uses adjacent sentences immediately before and after revision. Base long uses sentences around the target revision until unchanged sentence found. And our proposed essay claim, essay reasoning, essay evidence context. So if you look at the diagram on the right, the pink box is a start point. It had two branches. It goes up to augment revision, distribute borderline encoder until very top AR code prediction. Those yellow boxes are already existing methods. It goes down to green boxes. Those are our proposed components. So the original revised draft used ChatGPT to generate augment context with chain of thought prompts. So augment context and augment revisions are used to predict AR quality. As for the results, we show everyone's scores of AR code prediction on elementary and college corpora in the table on the right. Two takeaways. Most ACs are statistically better than strong baseline at the baseline. The chain of thought prompt is generally better than single prompt. In the table, the bold numbers are the best results. Underlined numbers statistically outperform strong baseline. The asterisks indicate zero-shot chain of thought prompt are better than zero-shot single prompt. So next step is to show the ChatGPT generated ACs. The green box on top is AC draft that was used as input to ChatGPT. It has several underlying sentences which are salient evidence or salient information. So the box in the middle is the ChatGPT output with single prompt. It doesn't include any salient information. However, the bottom box is the ChatGPT output with chain of thought prompt. It has exactly salient information, including numbers, that serving as evidence from the AC draft. So in general, chain of thought prompt generate better ACs than single prompt. In conclusion, we answered the research question 1. We found that proposed augment context can help predict the quality of ARs. We'll answer research question 2. Evidence and reasoning ACs and most useful AR code prediction. For research question 3, we found ChatGPT with chain of thought prompt was generally better than with single prompt. Our code is available online. Please scan the QR code if you're interested in reading our paper. Thank you.